Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, we will have one very simple and common front-end interview question, that is to center a div, but not with the help of CSS. With the help of JavaScript, we will do. So here we have 5 divs and we need to center the innermost div. And as you can see, these divs neither have any class nor any ID. So how we will center this? So let's get started. So first what we will do, we will simply have this method, that is document.querySelectorAll. So with the help of this DOM method, we will simply select all the divs that we have. So let me show you. So as you can see, we got the 5 divs that we had. So basically this is a node list where we have 5 divs. So this node list is just like an array. These have their indexes as well. So with the help of index, we can select the div that we want. Let's say we wanted to select the first div. Then we would have done something like this, like node list of 0 for the first one, node list of 4 for the last div. And this node list also have a length property, just like array. So with the help of that, we can select the last div. So to select the last div, simply all div dot length, simply -1. So this will give the length of the node list, that is 5. So simply 5 minus 1 will be equal to 4. That is our last div. That is this, the last one. So now we got our last div. Let me console log again to show you that. So see, we got our last div. Now we need to simply style it. So simply last div dot style dot position would be absolute. So now if I give this position absolute, it means its position will be relative to the page. Then again the same thing, last div dot style dot top would be 50%, and similarly left also 50%. Then again last div dot transform would be translate to -50%. This will be for our x and y axis. So this translate property will make sure that our div will be perfectly at the center. Then again last div dot style dot, let's say width. Let's give this a width as 200 pixel for now. And the same thing, like height would be also 200. Then let's give it a background color to make this visible on the screen. So background color would be, let's give it a color as light blue. So let's check. So see, so we centered the last div that we had. By using this method, suppose you had 10 or maybe 20 divs. So simply you could have used this method, that is query selector all. It will select all divs for you, and then simply to have the last div, you need to use the length property and simply -1. So it will give you the last node, maybe the last div that you will have, and then simply style it however you want. So yes, that's it for this video. Hope you understood this in a much better way. So see you all in the next one. Till then, take care.